If you see black specks in your scrambled eggs, you aren't just cooking, you're eating your skillet. Coating delamination is the silent killer of nonstick cookware. At Wade Media Labs, we've audited hundreds of failing pans to identify the exact moment a coating becomes a health hazard. It's time to look past the safe labels. Delamination occurs when the bond between the base metal and the nonstick polymer fails. This isn't just a scratch, it's a structural breakdown caused by mechanical stress and thermal fatigue. We use a high lumen flashlight test in the workshop. By hitting the pan at a low angle, we can identify microscopic blisters and pockets before they ever start to flake into your food. Why does it happen? Most often, it's a thermal expansion mismatch. The metal base expands faster than the coating under high heat, literally tearing the nonstick surface away from the pan. We ran a standardized tape and scrape audit on 10 popular pans. We found that once a single microscopic pit appears, the surrounding coating is compromised for up to 3 square inches. If you can feel a lip on a scratch with your fingernail, the pan is finished. In the workshop of the kitchen, material integrity is your only safety net. See the full delamination logs, our safe versus toxic checklist, and our 2026 pan longevity guide at cookwarescout.com.